Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Indian Air Force. Here the name of post is Ground Duty Officer Non-Technical Entry in Accounts Branch. Education qualification asked is either a BCom, BBA in Finance, BMS in Finance, BBS, BSc, qualified, CA, CMA, CS, CFA with minimum 60% marks. Here this 60% marks is I think applicable to CA, CMA also. So do keep this in mind. The age limit is 26 years. There are total 13 vacancy and place of posting will be all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. You don't need any prior experience. Here your package will be 14 lakhs after training. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 30th December 2022. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you that at Finance MCQ website, we are offering various courses like SPM, CIL, BHEL, SAIL, Bharat Dynamics, Solar Energy Corporation courses. So if you have applied for this examination, then do visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of these courses, and if interested, then do subscribe to the courses. And if you apply the coupon code mentioned on your screen, you will get a flat ₹100 off. All the best. Friends, next vacancy is again from the Indian Air Force. Here the name of post is Ground Duty Officer under Non-Technical Entry Scheme under Administration and Logistics Department. Here the qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 26 years. Number of vacancies are 69 and place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. You don't need any prior experience. Here your package will be same like 14 lakh after training. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from Indian Air Force. Name of post is again same Ground Duty Officer Non-Technical Entry under Education Branch. Qualification is same, that is graduation with 60%. Here they have asked along with graduation, post graduation with at least 50% marks in any discipline. Age limit is 26 years. Total vacancies are 10. Place of posting is all over India. Rest all details are same as that of previous vacancies. So next vacancy is from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. The name of post is Finance Officer. Qualification asked is BCom with 50% marks. Here you need to have 4 years of experience, or MCom with 50% marks with 3 years of experience, or if you are a CA inter, CMA inter, MBA finance, PGDBM finance, then you need to have 2 years of experience. Friends, this experience should be post qualification experience. Do keep this in mind, and your articleship experience will not be counted here. Here age limit asked is 35 years. Number of vacancies are 6 and place of posting will be all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. Package will be 9.3 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 26 December 2022. So just 2 days are left. So do fill up the vacancy form if you are meeting the eligibility criteria. Next vacancy is from Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited. Name of post is Assistant Executive Finance or Internal Audit. Qualification asked is graduation degree with CA or CMA or MBA finance with minimum 60% marks. Here the age limit is 27 years. Number of vacancies are 4. Place of posting will be in Karnataka only. It's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience required. Here your per month pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. You have to apply through online mode by 15th January 2023. So friends, we at Finance MCQ will also launch course for this examination in a short while. Next vacancy is from HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited. Here the name of post is Chartered Accountant. Qualification asked is CA. Here the age limit is, friends, there are various vacancy for this. So here the age limit is as per their grade. So for E1, E2, E3 and E6, there are different age criteria. You can check them, and the total 7 vacancies are there, and that too in Rajasthan. It's a permanent vacancy, and also along with your respective grade, experience are also mentioned, and your package will be for E1 grade is 10.26 lakhs and for E2 grade 12.83 lakhs. So as the experience increases, your package will also increase. Mode of application is online. Last date is 26th January 2023. I'll provide the notification link for this vacancy and all other vacancy in the description. You can check them in detail about this vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Here the name of post is assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks and proficiency in use of computer. Here the age limit is 28 years. Number of vacancies are 342. So it's a massive opening. Place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Here your package will be 5.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 9th January 2023. Next vacancy is again from ISRO. Here the name of post is upper divisional clerk, that is UDC. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks and proficiency in use of computer. Age limit is 28 years. There are total 16 vacancy. Place of posting is in Bengaluru. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience, and package and last date is same as that of previous vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Name of post is graduate apprentice. Qualification asked is graduate with minimum 50% marks. Here the age limit is 24 years. There are total 255 vacancy and place of posting will be all over India. Friends, it's a stipendary based employment. You will be employed for a year or two. Experience asked is nil. Per month stipend will be 9,000 to 10,000. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 3rd January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Northern Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science. Name of post is assistant accounts officer. Qualification asked is graduation. Age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy in Shillong. Nature of employment is permanent and you need to have 3 years of experience in cash, accounts and budget work in a government office, PSU, autonomous body or statutory body. Here your package will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 23rd Jan 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from North Central Zone Control Center. Here the name of post is assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with proficiency in computer. Age limit is 30 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting will be Uttar Pradesh. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here your package will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 15th January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is assistant program executive or exhibition assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Age limit is 25 years. There is 2 vacancy and place of posting will be Uttar Pradesh. It's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here your package and application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that this video might be useful, and also subscribe to the channel to get more such updates in future. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.